This quick start video will show you how to connect your Otii Arc. You will need your Otii Arc and the Otii software application. Go to koitech.com/download and download the Otii application for your preferred operational system. Install Otii by double-clicking the download. Once the app is installed, double-click to open it. Connect Otii Arc to your computer using the bundled USB cable. If you use a PC, use the USB port with the charge marking if possible. This indicates high power, and the port may provide up to 1.5 ampere for your device. USB ports without this sign can normally provide up to 500 mA. Also note that the current provided by the USB port is used to power both the Arc and your device. So in case your device needs more current than the USB port can handle, just connect the DC adapter to the backside of your Otii Arc. Check the FAQ to see which DC adapter we recommend. Connect the main outputs of Otii Arc, the black and red terminals, to the voltage supply inputs of your device under test. This can be a DC connector or the battery connectors of your device. Also make sure to remove the battery from your device under test before connecting Otii Arc. Please note that the maximum allowed voltage for any pin or main connector on the front panel is 5 volt. If you want to go more into detail and, for example, need to measure a subsystem or capture RX data, you will find more instructions on how to do that in our documentation. Just check the link below. In the Otii application, choose New Project. A Project Settings view will pop up. On the top, an Otii Arc icon will show up if your Otii Arc is correctly connected. As always, check the Koitech documentation if you have more questions about this.